start playing chess?
When did you start learning origami?
When did you first play table tennis?
When did you first try skateboarding?
I started playing squash 5 years ago.
I was 12 years old when I started painting.
I first played volleyball in 2016.
I have been playing soccer since childhood.
I've always loved board games.
I've been playing the drums for years.
She has been writing stories since I was a kid.
He has been collecting stamps for over 10 years.
How long have you been studying film editing?
Have you always loved skiing?
Have you been learning it long?
How long have you been playing the violin?
I've been playing the violin since junior high school.
How many years have you been diving?
It must be 6 years now.
Talking about the weather. Conversations. 1. The weather is clearing up. The weather is clearing up?
It's such a nice change.
Yeah, but I doubt it'll last.
Let's just hope it doesn't get cold again.
2. I'll take my umbrella with me. We're having a picnic tomorrow. Why don't you come with us?
I'd like to, but it's supposed to rain. The weatherman said it would rain all day.
I don't think he's right. It isn't cloudy today.
No, but he's usually accurate.
The temperature is 80 degrees this afternoon. I'm sure we'll have fine